हाय मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आज हम लोग का सेशन है। मेरे जो बच्चे हैं वो सब क्या है कि छोटा छोटा टॉपिक पे कुछ अपने शब्दों में कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, तो मैं वन बाय वन करके इन सबको बुलाने की कोशिश करूँगा। यू विल नो द मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट कोरोना वायरस बाई मिस लवली कुमारी विल कम एंड टेल अबाउट कोरोना वायरस। ओके, कम लवली कुमारी।
Hi guys, good morning to all of you. Myself Lovely Kumari. I belong to Chaklapur Goria Koti Siwan. I did in class 8 from Vitti. I like to play kabaddi. I want to be computer engineer. So guys, today I am introduced about coronavirus. Coronavirus, which is called a COVID-19, is an infection disease which is cause illness respiratory system in the human. It is the new virus that is impacting the world as badly. It is spreadly primary through contact with the person. Coronavirus was first identified during December 2019 in Wuhan city of China. In March 2020, the World Health Organization called the COVID-19 outbreak pandemic. The COVID-19 is now cause of a large number of deaths. The world virus had been developed for treatment of the disease. How does COVID-19 spread? It spreads from person to person among those in close contact with him about 6 feet or 2 meters, and it spreads by respiratory generate in the cause. Prevention of COVID-19: wash hand regular with soap and sanitizer. Avoid unnecessary cutting on public place. Movement proper patching and sanitizer. Cover your mouth and nose and wear masks. And avoid your touching nose, eye and mouth. Conclusion: coronavirus is one of the most issues that is facing by people around the world. It is necessary that we come out like this situation as early as possible. Thank you to listen me.
Hi friends, good morning. Myself, I am Nikhil Kumar. I come from Basavasanpur Siwan. I read in class 9th. I love to play cricket. I want to be police. I am going to tell about Patna. Patna is famous place of Bihar, and Patna is also capital of Bihar, and Ashok Samrat was king of Bihar, and he was super king of Patna. There are many beautiful places in Patna like Zoo, Gandhi Setu, Golghar, etc. So many people go to visit Patna, and we should go to visit Patna and visit Zoo, Gandhi Setu. Gandhi Setu is big pool of बिहार. थैंक यू.
तो मिस्टर सोहराब बाबू विलेज के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे, आप लोग ध्यान सुने. ओके, कम. कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
I am Sohrab Alam. I come from Basavasanpur Siwan. I reading class 8. I like to play cricket. I wanna be IPS. Now I am going to introduce a beautiful place where I was born. My village name is Basao, and it is a super place, and it is a small place, and it is a unique place in this area. Present condition of my village is superb because my village developing more nowadays. My village looks too lovely. There are many beautiful and lot of lovely flower around my due to this. Present condition of my village is outstanding. because all people of my village are educated and they have good think and all people always live each other and love each other. So my village is outstanding. Thank you.
अब नेक्स्ट मिस अंजलि कुमारी, come here and describe about the tree. So guys, you will learn about tree by Anjali Kumari. Okay.
My name is Agni Pari. I come from Chaklapur, Goriakati, Siwan. I did in class 5. I love to play kabaddi. I wanna be doctor. Now I am going to tell about value of tree in human life. Tree is useful in human life. Without tree is not possible in human life. It is most important for human because tree give us fruit, flower, shadow and wood. From wood we make many type of things like this table, bench, chair, etc. And tree give us to fuel whereby we cook food. We all know that tree is useful in human life. Without tree is not possible in human life. It is most important for human because tree give us flower, fruit, shadow and wood. From wood we make many type of things like this bench, chairs, to fuel whereby we cook food. We all know that human life is not, without tree cannot human and all living things. It give us pure oxygen and it take carbon dioxide because we all know that human life depend on oxygen. So I say that tree is most important for human life. Thank you.
अब आप सुनेंगे राजन कुमार के द्वारा एम। जानते हैं एम क्या होता है? गोल, टारगेट। यानी इसके बारे में राजन कुमार बताएंगे आपको। आप समझिए गोल क्या होता है, इनका गोल क्या है। ठीक है, माइक को ऊपर पकड़ना है, ऊपर जितना ऊपर हो जाए माइक।
I am Rajan Kumar. I come from Vasa Basodpur, Siwan. I read in class 8. I love to play cricket. I wanna be police. My goal is to become police. This is my dream after become police. I want serve our country and I want to also make money more because there are many children are poor in my village and country who don't get education, lock up money. So after become police I will be make money more and help the helpless and the poor people. So I will be police. Good. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट MD एहतजाम आलम, प्लीज कम एंड स्पीक आउट पटना। कम ऑन, माइक ऊपर रखना है।
Hi friends, good morning to all of you. I am Ehtasam. I come from Basam, Basantpur, Siwan. I like to play cricket. I wanna be engineer. Now I am going to tell about Patna. Patna is the famous place of Bihar and Patna is also capital of Bihar. Samrat Ashok was the king of Patna and he was superb king and he too loved to poor people. There are many beautiful places in Patna like Golghar, Gandhi Setu and Zoo, etc. There are many people go to visit Patna and we should go to visit Patna Zoo, Golghar and Gandhi Setu. Gandhi Setu is the biggest pool of Bihar. Okay, thank you.
Hi friend, good morning. I am Abhishek Kumar. I come from Chaklapur, Goriakoti, Siwan. I read in class 5. I wanna be doctor. I like to play cricket. My aim is to become doctor. After become doctor, I want to serve our country. I want to make lots of money. There are many children are poor in my village and country. and country who don't get education to lack of money, so I will be doctor. Okay, thanks.
Anupriya Kumari, please come and speak about Englishman. How our country become a freedom. You will learn about this story by Anupriya Kumari. Okay guys, listen carefully.
I am Anupriya Kumari. I come from Chaklapur, Goriakoti, Siwan. I read in class 8 from VT. I love to play kabaddi. I wanna be teacher. Englishmen came to India. They sat to India and understand the condition of it. So the unity of India. They divide us into a small unit. To this we became self of Englishmen, we had to face problem because we lost our right and we self-popularized, and against Gandhiji came to help us. Thank you.
Next, Anisha Kumari, come and speak about Englishman. How our country become freedom. You will know about this story by Anisha Kumari. Come.
I am Anisha Kumari. I come from Niyapur, Goriakoti, Siwan. I read in class 6. I love to play kabaddi. I wanna be teacher. Englishmen came to India. They sat to India and understood condition of it is, so wanted to rule. They open company. There are broke the unit of India, divided into a small unit. Due to this, they became the Englishmen.